Hi, I'm gonna to share with you my new oven pattern. It is very beautiful and in the same time simple pattern. Pattern has 3 stitches and consists of 2 rows. You can use such pattern to create cover, blanket, phone case or another accessories. This is one side. Let's look at the back side. So both look good. And for example, I have made exact pattern but used wool yarn. Let's look at my second example. So you can use such pattern to create scarf or hat. In wool example, I used from 4 to 5 millimeter crochet hook and 240 meters in 100 grams. For this one, I used crochet steel hook 1.4 millimeter and a ball of yarn. And this is 100% mercerized cotton. So let's get started crocheting. All additional information can be found in the description of the video. For my pattern, I crochet the foundation chain, make a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 20 chains in the foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready. I remind you, pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. And my pattern repeats 6 times. And for such 6 repeats, you need to make 18 chains and plus 2 chains for more beautiful look. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, make single crochet into the 3rd chain stitch away from the hook, 1, and make single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain, like this. Keep working in this way till the end of the foundation chain. I have done the first row. It was row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet row 2. This is the second row of the main pattern. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, make double crochet 3 together, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then make the 2nd double crochet, not finish, and the 3rd one, not finish. We have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Now yarn over the hook, insert the hook around these 3 stitches and pull up to the level of the chain. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook between the 1st and the 2nd stitch and pull up to the level of the chain. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook between the 2nd and the 3rd stitch, pull up to the level of the chain. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then make a chain to complete my stitch. My method is ready. It consists of 3 double crochet, not finish, and strings around these stitches. I would like to call this as 3D crochet method. Let's repeat again. Make double crochet 3 together. First one, make the second one, the third one, then pull through all loops on the hook, then yarn over, insert the hook around these 3 stitches, pull up to the level of the chain, then yarn over, insert the hook between first and the second stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook between the second and the third stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain to complete this method. In total it should be, I have done all 6 methods. I remind you, this is the second row of the main pattern. Now yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch that is on the beginning of the previous row. Make double crochet. Row 2 is done. Next time I will crochet row 3. It will be the same row as the first one. I remind you, pattern consists of only 2 rows and 3 stitches. Let's begin the third row. Make a chain, turn. I skip the first stitch. I insert the hook into the chain, make single crochet. Then insert the hook into the top, make single crochet. And single crochet into the top of the stitches. In total it should be 3 single crochet. I didn't count the first one. 1. Instead of first single crochet, I did chain. 1, 2, 3. This one I did into the puff. Let's count again. 1, 2, and 3. Here what I have. Let's repeat. 1, 2. Here what I have, and 3. Here I insert the hook into 2 loops. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete the third row together. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch in the beginning of the previous row, make single crochet. My row of single crochet stitches is ready. Let's crochet row 4. It will be the same row as the second one. Let's look at the back side. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn for the next row. Turn the work and make double crochet 3 together. I skip this stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. Make the first one, the third. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and pull through all loops on the hook, then yarn over and double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. 1, 2, and 3, pull through, make a chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. You should crochet this pattern as many times as you need. Pattern consists of 2 rows and 3 stitches. First one row was single crochet and the second one such beautiful 3D stitches. Each method consists of double crochet 3 together and strings. That gives my 3D stitch adorable volume. Here how it looks in wool yarn. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me. And I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows and 3 stitches. This is 3D pattern, and my 3D stitch consists of double crochet 3 together and strings that give my stitch bigger volume. And such pattern can be for mobile case, bags. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video tutorials. Bye!